all about parrots. Parrots are tropical birds. They have lots of bright feathers. They have strong feet. They hold on to branches. They have a hooked beak. They can be up to 1 meter long. They live in warm parts of the world. Parrots live in treetops. They make nests in dead trees. Parrots find their food in trees. They eat fruit. They get the nectar. They eat berries. Yum, 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 yum. They use their strong beak to crack nuts. Parrots lay 2 to 6 eggs. They stay with the mom for 3 to 8 weeks. Their colorful when they change color. They live until 16 years. 60 years old. Thanks for watching.